Take a ride in the 2016 Police Interceptor. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, inside you'll find trip computer, power door locks, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning. For some, it seems like Ford's Crown Victoria Police Interceptor has been the single car we most feared in our mirrors for our entire driving lives. Own this one today. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.